Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna cook for you another Timberstone Ranch family favorite. I'm talking about the Cowgirl chunky beef stew recipe cooked in the slow cooker. If you enjoy watching our videos, please like, subscribe, and press that bell button so you do not miss out on future content. There are many ways to cook this recipe, including pre-cooking the meat and the onions in a separate pot. But for today, we'll be doing everything in the slow cooker, as I find that it makes the meat more tender and it produces an overall better result. And bonus, there's less dishes to wash. I'm gonna go over with you the list of ingredients before we start cooking. We start with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 3 pounds of lean beef cut into 2-inch cubes, 2 onions chopped, 2 bell peppers of the color of your choice. In our case, we chose a yellow pepper and a red pepper chopped, 2 cups of butternut squash, and 2 cups of potatoes. There's an option to substitute. You can do 4 cups of butternut squash or 4 cups of potatoes. We like to combine them. That's why we chose to do 2 and 2. We have 1 cup of organic beef broth. You have 8 minced cloves of garlic with 1 bay leaf. We have 2 tomatoes chopped. We have 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and last but not least, we have some fresh parsley for garnishing. And now let's get to the fun part, the cooking. So the first step is adding our olive oil, followed by the meat, the onions, the salt, the pepper, the beef stock, as well as the minced garlic with the bay leaf. We'll mix these ingredients up. Now we'll put a lid on. We'll set it to high and leave it for about 2 hours or until the meat is fully cooked. All right, guys, it's been roughly about 2 hours, and we're gonna check this out. The meat is beautifully cooked, as you can see. So now we're ready for step 2. We'll be adding the rest of the ingredients except for the fresh parsley. So here are our peppers, tomatoes, potatoes. We're gonna add our butternut squash right now. You have the option to add the butternut squash an hour before serving if you want it less soft. We're gonna give this a quick mix. Everything is nicely mixed, and we're gonna let it cook for another 2 hours. All right, guys, it's been about 2 hours since we added all the ingredients. We're gonna check if this is ready. Oh, it looks really good. This is definitely ready. The meat is like falling apart. This looks amazing. So what we're gonna do right now, so I'm gonna serve some. And let's see how this tastes, because it smells already. It smells amazing. Look at these beautiful colors. That's a little bit of juice there. Now we're also gonna top it off with our fresh parsley. Just a little bit. Make it look pretty. I don't know if you can see this, but it looks amazing and it smells amazing. And we're gonna try some. Oh my God, this is incredible. This hits the heart, like it's really, really good. It's perfect for days like today where it's so cold outside and we just came in from doing all our chores outside. And this is really, really warming up the soul. It's really, really good. Can't get enough of it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. And please let me know in the comments what's your family's favorite recipe so we can try it out here at the ranch.